Welcome to Forbidden Credit, the #1 personal self-help credit repair book in the nation. Over 20,000 copies sold. I am happy to announce it. And guess what? This book gives you everything you need to know on personal credit from your journey from identifying negative items to repairing, rebuilding, restoring. So let's get it going. Let me give you some preview. Section 1 of Forbidden Credit is personal information. Now, some of you might be asking, Daraine, why is personal information important? I want you to know when you get this book, don't come at me for grammar. Listen, grammar police out there, do not come for me, all right? You're here to learn about your credit. That's what I'm going to teach you from the #1 selling personal credit guide book, whatever you want to call it out there. I'm here to give that and break that down to you now. So personal information, guys, for those of you who don't know, why do I have multiple names, multiple telephone numbers, address, emails on my credit report, and there's nothing I can do about it? Well, did you know that having multiple phone numbers, multiple names, multiple addresses, multiple emails, all of these can contribute to you getting denied for something as credit card, auto loan, personal loan, home loan, an apartment? Absolutely, because it doesn't show stability. It doesn't show a lender that this person is reliable, where I can find this person if I need to repossess. So before I take a risk on you, I will deny the application, right? And most times when you call some of these consumer reporting agencies, aka credit bureaus, they're going to tell you that we cannot delete personal information because it's tied to an open account. That is total BS, guys, because there are case laws that actually prove that the correcting or inaccurate personal or PII, personal identifiable information, if it's inaccurate or outdated on your consumer report, they must delete it, right? The case laws are right here in this book. Some of the questions that you may ask are, I see names and social security numbers on my credit report that I do not recognize what's going on. Some of you might have this very same question. When you have what is called a mixed file, all right? So let's say that you have a name that's very close to somebody else, or you're maybe a junior or a senior. This can happen where we have a merge or mixed file where different people's information flows over into your report. That's one reason. The second reason is that you could have been a victim of identity theft. So if you are a victim of identity theft, what do? That information is in the book. How do I dispute and delete inaccurate personal information? The fastest way to get rid of personal information that is inaccurate, outdated, or unverifiable is to call. The script, the phone number, everything is inside of here, guys. You can run display literally over the phone, and within 24 hours of purchasing this book, it's not a promise, but you may start getting results. Within 24 hours of purchasing this book, after you've read section 1, after you've read section 2, there's absolutely no reason why you cannot get results in those 24 hours. So like I was saying, there's a step-by-step guide that you guys can use, and it goes over the script of what you need to do and how to get this information deleted, right? Oh, I also have letters in here too, guys. So the book also has sample dispute letters that you guys can use. All right, so section 2 is your personal information. We got inquiries that got deleted. We got inquiries, personal information deleted over the phone. Section 3, now we're talking about late payments. What if I told you that most of you that have late payments, the late payment on your credit right now should not even be there? Furthermore, the late payment that you think is a late payment was not even compliant with the law. You want to know what laws speak about compliance? You want to know what to do if you spot a late payment and you want to check if a financial institution is compliant? Guess what? All right here, guys, the late payment section. And we move on and we go into dispute letters here as well. Collection. This is one of my favorite topics because section 4 is the collection Bible. There's things in here that you're going to learn about collections. A consumer, you don't have to pay a collection. Oh, but you got to pay your debts. Well, the law also says 15 USC 1692 CC in writing, a consumer can refuse to pay a debt collector. And now you're seeing why this is the best self-help book on credit repair by your boy, Daraine Delevante. I'm telling you, this book is loaded with gems, with laws you can look up, with everything you need to start your credit repair journey. We're going over the FCRA, we're going over the FDCPA, we're going over forbidden credit, we're going over facts, we're going over medical collections, we're going over child support. Guys, it is so loaded. I can go on and on and on about the thousands of people Forbidden Credit has helped. And guess what? If you're here, if you're watching this, it means Forbidden Credit can help you too. Repairing your credit does not have to be expensive. And what I'll be doing, Forbidden Credit by itself is like maybe $197. But But don't let that stop you. I'm gonna give you a whole deal right now. I got my second best-selling book, The Power of FICO, right? I am bundling both of these books together. I'm willing to bet right now that everybody watching this has $60. So I'm giving you both books, a whopping $250 worth of personal credit information for only $55. You can't beat it. Best-selling, best credit repair, best financial self-help book. You cannot beat it. The number 2 seller, The Power of FICO, breaking down the FICO score, the algorithm, and how it works. Man, you cannot beat this nowhere. Both books, all yours for $55. The ebooks, the description will be down in the link. This is a limited time offer. You better get it now. Go into the description, click the link, and I promise you, if you use these methods and you don't get results within the first 24 to 72 hours, I want you to leave a comment, tell me what's going on so I can assist you in getting some of the items deleted that you can use the scripts to get deleted over the phone. All right, the link is in the description. Get the link. Forbidden Credit, Power of FICO, it's all yours. Both books, $55. There is absolutely no excuse why you cannot get your credit fixed. Let's go.